Cold spray is a technique that allows metal powders to be deposited to form coatings, repair parts, or additively manufacture components. Powder particles are accelerated in a supersonic gas stream. Upon impact, particles deform rapidly, oxide layers are fractured, and a metallurgical bond can be formed. Particles remain within the solid state throughout the process, with minimal heat input to the substrate. The solid-state nature of the process brings a number of benefits, including the ability to deposit oxygen-sensitive materials without shielding, such as aluminium and titanium, and create deposits with high density and bond strength, with manageable levels of residual stress or distortion. The process is well suited to repair applications and is qualified for use on a number of aerospace and defense platforms. There's also an increasing interest in additive manufacturing, due to the very high deposition rates available, the ability to process challenging materials, and the potential for multi-material structures.